PTE Answer Short Question 4. When you have the primary and secondary, what do you have next? Tertiary. What is the fastest way to travel from America to Europe? By airplane. What do you do when you no longer need an appointment? Cancel. People who work without receiving payments? Volunteers. In what geographical location would someone be living if their country is surrounded by water on all sides? Island. If there is only one business controlling the trades or the supplies in an industry, how do you describe it in economic terms? Monopoly. Which day of the week starts with th? Thursday. Where will you go when a crime happens to you? Police station. What do you call an animal that hunts for food or preys on other animals? Predator. What is the nominal form of the wide? Width. What do you call the document that tells your qualifications and work experience? CV or curriculum vitae or resume. What is the job title for someone who makes meals in a restaurant? Chef. What is the phrase used to describe the way something repeatedly increases and decreases? Ebb and flow. What is the short sleep in the afternoon? Siesta. Who is the Swiss greatest scientist in physics? Einstein. Where do you go to send mail, a post office or a coffee house? Post office. What kind of force is produced when you rub two objects rigorously together? Friction. What does a human and animal skeleton consist of? Bone or bones? When we go hiking in the mountains, what do we use to protect our feet? Boots or shoes? What is the opposite of predecessor? Successor. What stellar system does the Earth belong to? Solar system. What do you call someone who has no hair on the head? Bald. What is the habitat of camels? Desert. What shines at night in the sky and uses its own brightness? Star. What do we call a car that uses two types of fuel? Hybrid. When a person's blood alcohol level is higher than the standard range, what activity can't the person do? Driving. Which one needs the most complicated mechanism? A car, ship, or airplane? Airplane. What do the following belong to? Roses, daisies, tulips, etc. Flower. How many eggs are there in a dozen? 12. What are the people who study ancient bones or plants and rocks? Archaeologist. How many hemispheres does the equator divide the Earth into? 2. Who can sell prescribed medicines? Chemist or pharmacy? When we say dollars, cents, pounds, euro, what are these called? Currency. What is the collection of commas, period, colons, exclamation marks, and question marks? Punctuation. Paying at the counter after shopping? Checkout. First story of the basement, building? Basement. Fed up? Negative feeling. Who do you call in case of a leaking pipeline? Plumber. Microscope is used to see? Micro. Transfer quickly from computer to computer? Virus. Downloading. Democratic government? People vote. What do you get when you buy something? Receipt. Agriculture-based country? Farming. Economy. Stars or planets? Astronomy. Dead remains of plants? Fossils. What business and advertising PR means? Public relation. What do you need to see things which are far away? Binoculars. Magnify minimal objects? Microscope. Who to visit if you have a fear of crowds? Psychologist. Means of traveling in developed countries? Public transport. Washing clothes? Laundry. Who is more playing football? Men. Living things? Biology. The month between September and November? October. Thing most people use in their homes? Bed. Main difference between a wristwatch and a clock? Size. Where do we store meat? Freezer. Most important document while driving? Driving license. Where we can buy a floor? Supermarket. For X-ray? Radiology. The volume of water? Liters. Hand joint with arm? Wrist. Wall clock and hand watch? Relative sizes. City? Urban area. When moon covers the sun? Solar eclipse. Orbits the sun? Planet. Football in? Referee. Event placed in time order? Timeline. Seawater different from fresh water? Salt. University courses? Orally or written assessment. Washing clothes? In the laundry. Protect motorbike riders? Helmet. Leap year? 366 days. Europe is home to? United Kingdom. Arrival at hotel? Reception or check-in. Job title building designer? Architecture. Watchers a sports event? Spectator. Climb to the roof? Ladder. Don't feel like eating? Appetite. Improve health and fitness? Diet, more physical exercise. What is the name of ground military forces? Army. What is someone who can't see called? Blind. What do you call the middle of something? Center. Whose job is it to treat people that are ill or have an injury at a hospital? Doctor. What is the process of teaching and learning called? Education. What kind of book is written by a person about their own life? Autobiography. What is the red liquid that flows through a body? Blood. What is the payment of a student's education by an organization called? Scholarship.